Oh, Willow619 here, doing a 50 subscriber pack opening. What? It's not letting me touch my screen. This is annoying. Why can't I touch my screen now? Oh, now I can touch my screen because I stopped facecam. Great! So this will be a no facecam video, guys. It's great. Anyway, thank you for 50 subscribers, a milestone I never thought I'd hit. 500 views on I'll Fade Away and classify myself as obsolete. I mean, it goes over my top of my head, guys. I just don't believe it. So this pack opening is just for you. I did have plans to do female, but I already didn't. And what we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you. Ready? Luke Harper is my elite, and I have a Harlan Camilla now, guys. And here's my SummerSlam freebie. And they land, look, down arrow, up arrow, down arrow, up arrow. Oh, it's just great, guys. Anyways, enough of me just rambling on. You came here for the pack opening. You better get it. Final elite pack. 5,000 credits. Oh! It's an ultimate! An ultimate Jimmy Uso! I love Nello! Oh my god! Oh my god, guys, this is amazing. What a great start. Oh no, I'm out of credits. What a shame. What a shame. What a shame. What a shame. What a shame, guys. I've run out of credits. Ooh, what a shame. Ooh, what a shame. Payment successful. Thank you. Credits. Credits? Oh, that's just great. Chuck me out. Did this first time. I hope I still got my credits. Nope. I didn't get my credit. Make me very mad. Not enough credits, okay? I have no credits. Wait, the one that I want to buy, it's ate my money. Fam, we're only getting that ultimate. I don't believe that. I texted Nikki, guys. Oh, it's still a pretty good card. Wait, that got him up to level 29? Wow. Ring animation deck edit. Boom! And SummerSlam. So, this one moves up so slowly, guys. Royal Rumble. Edit deck. Oh! Jeez. Just short. Back at it. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh! Just short again. I'll change soon because I'm able to up him now. Because there's another card that just got free. It's the Kevin Owens and Alicia Fox. What deck are you still in? Let's go. Oh yeah. So Mr. Kevin Owens is gonna be our low pick, and he's gonna not be unlocked. So it's a stupid move for me. Unlock. Look at this Jimmy Uso.
Reveling the opportunity to make a spot for your opponent.
Well, we'll finish him now. Oh! You thought it was good deck of mine got goal. Yeah, I've done that before. I'm not doing it again. Oh wow, I thought I'd get him a bit higher than that. Lord. Do this on plus right now. Here we go. Bye bye, Enzo. He's gonna save, he's gonna move. Oh wow, wow. I'm just short of hardened. Here we go. I'm hardened! Oh my god, I'm hardened! I'm scared to edit my team card in case I reset this. But I'm gonna do it anyways. If I reset it. If I reset it. What? Jimmy. We're doing that now, because of me. Oh, I vegged it a little. Oh, what? That was amazing, guys. Still recording. Good. Perfect for my 50 subs. Honestly, I didn't see that coming. But I'm glad you guys were here with me. Do that. So thanking the ring. Oh, look at this deck setup. The only thing I'm happy about is Harper and Steeler. Look at his name then. It's embarrassing. That's fine for me. King of the Ring Rewards, here we go. To like becoming champion, they're not giving me double SummerSlams. They're like, go away, win. No, we're not letting you do that. Second place. Oh, no way! I'm not getting the support anymore. Oh, that sucks. I can't, I was becoming a level 4 vehicle to get a random survivor. 9 to 10 random survivor and a random legend, which is just gonna be used for upgrading purposes. Quarterfinals, a WrestleMania. Semi-finals, 2 WrestleManias. Second place is SummerSlam and first place is WrestleMania. That's cool. Begin King of the Ring. See if we can be champion first time. Wait. Seriously, look at this. This deck is that great. I'm gonna do 3 battles with it. And then this will be Raw 619. So peace out. Look at that, I'm really just in Harden too. I wonder what my Harden freebie will be. The Downer Diva. Actually, I've changed my mind. Not 3 battles. Let's keep going until I get my Harden freebie. Oh wow, you have one too. That's theirs. Of course it's theirs. They had a Vince. Ooh, nice SummerSlam Pro there. And I have a Jimmy Uso. Oh my god! It's an outside move! Wow! Wow! That's a Randy Orton Pro. Oh! Jeez Louise, guys. Look at that! Look at the board! An amazing board. I love the board. Yay! Baron Corbin. Nice down arrow. Nope, an up arrow. Not good for my arrows, okay? Right, move him into my next. I'm doing a Wed Rudy here. Oh, I've done it again. Play, or one more. Edit deck. All I film. Personal necklaces. Dude. We're in the bank, back at it. What's available for us? Wow, that looks so good. What's going? Nope. Oh, he was a clump of stuff. So, we use him on Baron Corbin or Lisa. Lisa is gonna be the one I'm using. Wow, I can use perfect. Do you know? I'm pretty sure he's the last card in the King of the Ring. King of the Ring. Yep, thought so. No, I don't want to get rid of him. 4 beans. Look at that Jimmy! Oh, this is great. This has been a great video, guys. And this is Willow619. Say peace!